Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Zodiac Pool Cleaners are probably one of the most sought-after solutions for maintaining a pristine swimming environment, offering a blend of advanced technology and user-friendly design that promises to take the chore out of pool maintenance and deliver a sparkling clean pool with minimal effort, ensuring you spend more time enjoying your pool and less time cleaning it. Number 5. Zodiac MAXX Pool Cleaner. Introducing the Zodiac MAXX, a compact yet powerful pool cleaner. It efficiently connects to your pool system, sending debris directly to your filter. With its innovative cyclonic turbine and extracts technology, it generates downward force and superior grip. This allows it to navigate your entire pool, even climbing the walls. The X-Drive navigation system uses hydraulic suction to power internal gears. This ensures thorough cleaning of both the pool floor and walls. Designed for efficiency, it's easy to set up and calibrate. It works seamlessly with variable speed pumps and existing filtration systems, requiring no extra electricity or batteries. Your purchase includes the Zodiac MAXX cleaner, a 32-foot twist lock hose, and all necessary accessories for easy installation via a dedicated suction line or skimmer. What we like. This cleaner is a compact powerhouse, perfect for smaller pools or those with intricate designs. Its ability to climb walls means you get a truly comprehensive clean. If you're looking for an energy-efficient option that works seamlessly with variable speed pumps, this is an excellent choice for hassle-free pool maintenance. What people say. The Zodiac MAXX is a compact and lightweight cleaner that is easy to handle and store. It navigates obstacles like pool ladders and drains with ease, thanks to its advanced navigation system. The MAXX effectively cleans walls and the waterline, providing a thorough clean for the entire pool. Number 4. AMI parts are 05261000 MX8 MAXX Pool Cleaner Replacement Tire Track Wheel, 2 PCS. Introducing the AMI parts are 05261000 Replacement Tire Track Wheel, designed specifically for your MX8 and MAXX pool cleaners. This package includes 2 pieces, ensuring a longer service life for your equipment. These track wheels have an inner diameter of 5.5 inches, an outer diameter of 6 inches, and a width of 2 inches. Please ensure this is the correct size for your pool cleaner before purchasing. Installation is a breeze and requires no special tools. You can have your pool cleaner back in action in just 5 to 10 minutes. Crafted from high-quality rubber, these replacement tracks provide superior grip. This means your pool cleaner will perform better, tackling dirt and debris more effectively. These tracks are suitable for most famous brands and are designed for durability. We stand by our product with a professional after-sales service team ready to assist you. We offer replacement support for these parts. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us. We're here to help you solve your pool cleaning problems easily. What we like. Is your current pool cleaner struggling to grip and move effectively? These replacement tracks are designed to bring back that superior traction, ensuring a thorough clean. If you own a compatible model and want to restore its performance with an easy-to-install part, these are a fantastic value. What people say. This cleaner has a very long cord, which is great for larger pools. The cleaner is very effective at picking up debris, even small particles. The design is compact and easy to store when not in use. Number 3. Polaris MAXX Automatic Pool Cleaner. Keep your entire in-ground pool sparkling clean, from the floor all the way up to the waterline. It's designed to handle any surface with ease. Tackle tough, stuck-on dirt with powerful scrubbing action. It directs debris straight to the suction inlet for a spotless finish. Experience advanced cleaning with Halo technology. It effortlessly removes everything from fine silt to larger debris thanks to its innovative design. Enjoy enhanced movement and superior climbing ability. Its smart navigation and powerful turbines ensure it reaches every part of your pool. This cleaner is built to last and operate efficiently. Its hydraulic design uses lower flow rates, and features like replaceable brushes and a regulator valve ensure optimal performance and reduced wear. What we like. For those who demand a spotless pool, this cleaner's active scrubbing brushes and advanced Halo technology tackle even the most stubborn debris. Its smart navigation ensures it covers every inch of your in-ground pool. If you have a pool with tough-to-remove dirt or fine silt, this is the solution for a pristine finish. What people say. The Zodiac Pool Cleaner is very effective at cleaning the pool. It is easy to set up and use. The cleaner is durable and has lasted for a long time. Number 2. Zodiac MAXX Elite Factory Tune-Up Kit. Bring your pool cleaner back to life with this all-inclusive kit. It contains everything you need to ensure it runs at its best. This kit comes fully assembled and is ready for installation with just a few simple tools. It includes all the essential components for optimal performance. Keep your pool cleaner working efficiently for longer by replacing the parts that experience the most wear. This helps prevent premature failure. Don't risk using imitation parts that won't last. Our original manufacturer replacement parts are built for durability, letting you enjoy your pool more. These genuine parts are made to precise specifications for a long life and outstanding performance. We aim to provide the perfect pool experience for every owner. What we like. Keep your existing cleaner running like new with this all-inclusive tune-up kit. It contains all the essential genuine parts to restore peak performance and extend its operational life. If you want to avoid the hassle of frequent replacements and ensure your cleaner performs optimally for years to come, this kit is a must-have. What people say. This cleaner is very effective at removing debris from the pool. The design of the cleaner allows it to navigate around obstacles in the pool with ease. The features of this cleaner, such as its adjustable settings, make it a versatile tool for pool maintenance. Number 1. Polaris Vac-Sweep 280 Black MAXX Pool Cleaner. Meet the Polaris Vac-Sweep 280 Black MAXX, the ultimate solution for a sparkling clean pool. This powerful cleaner is designed to handle all in-ground pools with ease. It automatically vacuums, sweeps, and scrubs your entire pool in just 3 hours or less. Enjoy more time relaxing and less time cleaning. For optimal performance, it requires a Polaris booster pump, sold separately. Ensure your pool is ready for this advanced cleaning technology. Connecting it is a breeze, ready to go with a 1.5-inch dedicated pressure cleaner line. It comes with 31 feet of feed hose for ample reach. This cleaner runs independently, powered by its own booster pump. Experience a truly hands-off approach to pool maintenance. It meticulously cleans your pool from top to bottom, ensuring no spot is missed. Achieve a pristine swimming environment effortlessly. What we like. This cleaner offers a powerful 3-in-1 cleaning action, vacuuming, sweeping, and scrubbing your entire pool. It's designed to work with a dedicated booster pump for maximum efficiency. If you have an in-ground pool and are looking for a robust, automated cleaning solution that covers all surfaces, this is a reliable choice. What people say. It cleans the pool thoroughly. The design is very user-friendly and easy to operate. It effectively removes debris from the pool floor and walls. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.